Welcome back to the FlipNerd.com REI Classroom, where experts from across the real estate investing industry teach you quick lessons to take your business to the next level. And now, let's meet today's expert host.
Hi, my name's Jack Shea, and I'll be hosting the REI Classroom event today, and I will be talking about personal property trusts.
This show is sponsored by PassiveRental.com.
So I have been using trusts for many years in my real estate business, and I grew up in Chicago, where it's been the law since the 1890s, and when I moved to Florida, I found that they had a trust statute, but they're used all over the U.S., and the personal property somewhat simpler than a land trust, and it's used for holding notes and mobile homes and cars and boats and airplanes and things that are not real estate. So it takes the title off the public record, say it's a car or a mobile home, and it's the Mountain Growth Trust or some name owns that, and it could own many things. And so there's a trustee name, and the beneficiary, the actual owner, is not a matter of public record. And it's legal. It's illegal in all 50 states. So I like this particularly for holding notes. So we take in the note in the name of this Bay Investment Trust, and this trust is the owner. Well, I would pay for it. Maybe it's with IRA money or my own funds, whatever. And then I talked to some of my friends or investors and see if they would like to own a portion of that note. So I can divide it up 3 or 4 or any number of different ways where they can have a 25% share of the beneficial interest. And we don't have to go to the courthouse and change the titling of the note. And let's say I picked up a couple people want a third of the note, and so we divide up the payments, and I would collect service the note and then disperse their share. At some point, partner B may like to get out of that note, and so we say, yes, I will either buy him out or the other person, or we enlist, or he brings another investor. So somebody else buys his beneficial interest, and or maybe we each buy half, and we have 2 investors. We don't go to the courthouse. We don't have to go back to the courthouse and retitle the note. So it makes things easier to do, faster, and less costly to get stuff done. Personal property trusts like or for mobile homes. It's in mobile home parks. It's not usually the land that causes a problem. The land is owned by a land trust, and the mobile home is the item that causes accidents or burns down. So that can be held in a personal property trust titled at the DMV. So I find this vehicle very useful. It's inexpensive. It's private, and it allows splitting and sharing in any number of different ways. Actually, my partner Mark Warda has a book, a personal property trust book, the only one I know of in the country. It's available on his website, galtpress.com. I think it's about $35, and it has a CD with the form. So if you want to do this, I'd suggest that you can pick up Mark's books, mailed direct to you. We cover it in our land trust classes. So there's an item that could be helpful, useful, profitable for real estate investors, and I hope you find it useful. Thank you, and we'll talk another day.
PassiveRental.com is your source for turnkey, done-for-you rental properties. If you'd like to be an investor and not a landlord, please visit PassiveRental.com to learn how to purchase cash-flowing, professionally managed rental properties in the hottest rental markets across the country. We can also help connect you with financing for your next property. Invest the easy way today and get started by visiting PassiveRental.com. Please note, the views and opinions expressed by the individuals in this program do not necessarily reflect those of FlipNerd.com or any of its partners, advertisers, or affiliates. Please consult professionals before making any investment or tax decisions, as real estate investing can be risky. Are you a member yet of FlipNerd.com, the hottest real estate investing social community online? If not, you can join for free in less than 30 seconds and get access to hundreds of off-market deals, vendors in your market to help you in your business. And you can start networking with thousands of other investors just like you. Get your free account now at FlipNerd.com. Please check out the FlipNerd family of real estate investing shows, where you can access hundreds of expert interviews, quick tips, and lessons from leaders across the real estate investing industry. They're available at FlipNerd.com/shows, or simply search for FlipNerd in the iTunes Store.